Hello students, today let us learn about some more features of Paint 3D. Paint 3D has many inbuilt options that can be used to enhance your artwork. One such feature is stickers in Paint 3D. The sticker option is used to add realistic texture and icons to your drawings. Stickers can be added to 2D or 3D drawing. Paint 3D stickers are available in various forms like squares, curves, lines, surface, gestures, and facial gestures. You can also create your own stickers using other applications and add it to Paint 3D Canvas. First, let us learn how to add stickers to Canvas. Adding stickers into your Paint 3D Canvas is a simple and easy task. The sticker tool is used to insert stickers in your canvas. Following steps can be used to add a sticker in Paint 3D Canvas. To add a sticker to your canvas, click on the stickers icon on the top menu. The sticker panel will appear on the right-hand side of the Paint 3D window. You will see three icons on the top of the stickers panel, that is, Stickers, Texture, and Add Stickers. Click on the stickers option and you will see all the available stickers in the stickers panel display. Select on the desired sticker, drag and place it on the canvas. Now let us understand how to select a sticker. You can make changes to the sticker that you have inserted in the Paint 3D canvas. You can change the size, position, orientation, and appearance of the sticker. Before you make any significant change to the sticker, it is necessary to select the sticker first. The Select tool placed just below the top menu is used to select a sticker. Following steps can be used to select a sticker. Add the sticker Sun to the canvas as shown in figure. Click on the Select tool placed below the top menu. Once the object is selected, a rectangle with dotted lines will appear around the sticker as shown in figure. Moving a sticker. After adding the desired sticker, you can always change the position and size of the sticker by dragging its edges. Insert the sticker Sun into Canvas and save the file with the name Sun. Select the sticker using Select tool from the top menu. Select Copy button under the Edit option from the 2D selection panel. Now click on the Paste button. The new copy of the selected sticker will be placed over the pre-existing sticker. Select the inserted sticker and drag and drop it at the new location as shown in figure. The new copy will be placed at the desired location on the canvas. Deleting a sticker. Paint 3D provides a facility to erase a sticker. To delete a sticker, you can use the Delete option given in the selection pane. To delete a sticker, select it using the Select tool from the top menu. Once a sticker has been selected, you can click on the Delete icon under the Edit option as shown in figure. Students, let us find out how to add 3D text to Canvas. You can also enhance your artwork by adding 3D text to your canvas. The Paint 3D Text tool is an upgrade of text tool used in MS Paint. With MS Paint program, you can only add 2D text to your drawing. On the other hand, the Paint 3D program is used to create both 2D and 3D text. Click on the Text tool on the top menu. The pointer changes to a sign. Click and drag the text box on the canvas area. A dotted rectangular box with options to rotate the text box will appear with a blinking cursor inside it. Type the text as shown in the text box. You can then use the rotation tools X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis to change and convert the text into 3D. Rotate the text using Y-axis tool up to a position where it takes its 3D form. Students, let's know more. There are 6 3D shapes that you can use to make your own 3D models: square, sphere, cylinder, capsule, cone, and donut. If you need a 3D shape that is not in the list, you can draw it yourself with the 3D Doodle tools. Deleting 3D text from the canvas. To delete 3D text, select the 3D text box using the Select tool from the top menu. Once the text has been selected, click on the Delete icon in the 3D selection panel. Now you have learned how to draw 2D and 3D objects in Paint 3D. You can also enhance the look of your artwork using colors, textures, and effects. Students, let's know more. Using texture in Microsoft Paint 3D is similar to using a sticker. You can use different types of textures like brick, water, grass, etc. Once placed, you can easily change its properties like opacity, rotate, flip, etc. Now let me tell you how to add effect. Open the artwork you have already saved using Paint 3D. Click on the Effects icon on the top menu. The Effects panel will appear on the right-hand side. Select a filter of your choice from Filters. Click on the filter to apply the effect. You can enhance or lighten the effect by rotating the sun icon on the Effects panel. Students, let's have a discussion. Effects icon versus sun icon. Alright students, let us understand how to add objects from 3D library. Click on the 3D library icon in the top menu. From the 3D library pane, select a 3D model. Once selected, the model will automatically load and will be inserted into Paint 3D canvas. If you do not find a 3D model of your choice in the list, you can also find the 3D model by typing its name in the search box. Students, let's know more. You can share your 3D drawings with other people using Remix 3D option. Remix 3D is a community that allows Paint 3D users to share and view their creation with the other members of the community. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. The sticker option is used to add realistic texture and icons to your drawings. To select an object in the canvas, use the Select tool from the top menu. You can change the position and size of the sticker by dragging its edges. To delete a sticker, you can use the Delete option given in the selection pane. The Paint 3D Text tool is an upgrade of text tool used in MS Paint. The Effects option helps us to enhance the appearance of the objects.